Alright, so we getting ready to go to the spot and just get some B-roll footage, and I'm gonna try out my Neewer stabilizer for the first time. Let's go. Good thing about today is that it's actually first day of 2019. Ooh, what is that? Where did that come from? This little house was never here. Never here. Where did this little house come from? Where? See what I'm talking about? B-roll. Alright, so we actually just decided we're gonna go to the airport, watch some planes take off and come in and do all of that nice stuff. So let's go ahead and get some B-roll on the way there. And no, do it again, B-roll. Alright, so we made it to the spot. See y'all what we got going on in just a moment, as soon as I get this thing right. If I can get somebody to get their ass in this water over here. Alright, so
time to get some B-roll.
Me and Boo about to get some B-roll footage. See y'all later. Alright, where's my trusty dusty tool? Time to put together the gimbal. Trusty dusty tool.
Why is it going, I think? Oh, do that. Okay, shit. There you go.
Trusty Dusty.